Creating a consignment on the private attestations site. In this video, we will go through how to create your consignment. This section will be completed on the Consignments tab. To start, you will need to select Add Consignment. This will take you to a series of questions that relate to your new consignment. First, you will be asked some basic details, one being the reference name or number. This will be the reference in which you can track the consignment. This may be something you are given. Then, it will ask you to input the details regarding the consigner/exporter. This will populate field 1.1 on the private attestation. You will need to input the company name, the country, and the full address of the consigner/exporter. Then, you will complete the same details for the place of loading, ensuring every required field is completed. Please note, the answers to these questions will appear on the first page of the 8352 private attestation. When it comes to the place of destination, you will be asked the standard questions, but you will also be asked the approval number of the company. This can be inputted if it is available to you. It will also ask you for the region as well as the destination country. This is an optional field. The next set of questions refer to the operator responsible for the consignment. Again, you need to input the name and full address. Now you will need to complete the departure details. First, you will input the date of departure of the export, and if you have it, you can include the time. Then, you will need to select the platform, which will populate 1.11 on the private attestation. If you need to add a platform, this can be done on the Platforms tab. Next is the means of transport. This is the method of transport in which the consignment is travelling by. Please select the correct one for your consignment, and you can put any identification number you have for the transport at the bottom. Now you can input the entry border post control. You can either look through the drop-down for the one you are using, or you can type it into the search. Next, you will fill out the details of the container/seal number, which will populate 1.19 on the private attestation. You can either upload a photo for each field and it will generate the number found, or you can type it straight into the box. As you can see, I have uploaded a photo for each, and the number is generated from the image. Please always double-check the extracted information. Now that we have created our consignment, we can review it. If there is any changes, you can edit the consignment details. Also, when you create a consignment, you have the option to clone it. It is now ready for us to add our products.